And that's probably good for now.
What are they again?
The staple gun and the rubber membrane. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, you filming?
Yeah.
All right, so we're putting in our little door, and the reason it looks like it's not all the way in the house is because we've got our siding is kind of thick. We've got 1/2 inch rain screen, and we've got 3/4 inch siding, we've got 1.5 inch trim to butt up against all that. So because this is a outswing door, we want it to be able to swing all the way out and against the side of the building. So we have to bring this out so far. So we'll have to do a good job with our water shedding and flashing, all that stuff, to make sure we don't get water in here. So that's what we're going to work on. We'll see you a little later. Apparently didn't cut it enough. Trying to find out where it's not cut. There we go. So once I clean this up, this is going to be sitting above our little door. And this is cut out so that, well, let's go see if it fits. Still have to clean it up a little bit. But this will be the top piece. That will sit just like that. So now the rain will drip down this and drip off of here and away from the door, because this is all cut on about I don't know what that is, 30 degrees or 15, I think, 15 degrees, I'm not sure.